The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, the dry erase paint company that specializes in the highest quality of whiteboard walls available worldwide. Draw It Paint is constantly undergoing tests and procedures to ensure industry-leading, top-quality products with 3 selections to choose from. Recruit, Unique, and Limitless are guaranteed to suit all your dry erase paint needs.
Or like, how do you feel of social media in general? Is it just like, is it a bad thing, a good thing? Because I think there's good things and bad things about it. What do you think?
I think it's both, it's an excellent way to waste time. It's an excellent tool for promoting yourself, your brand, your business, spreading knowledge, whatever, because people spend a lot of time on it. But I also think it's really fake, especially all these influencers. I like to try to keep it real, but I look at all these medical influencers because that's just the arena that I'm a part of, So I can't really speak too much on the others, but at least in the medical community, it's like you join these engagement groups where everybody's commenting on each other's posts once they make a post to beat Instagram's algorithms and get your post thrown up to the front. And you just see all the stuff all this fake love that they have for each other, this fake friendship that they have for each other, and all this BS when you read their comments. And I'm like, bro, come on, man. I'll say whatever the heck I want to say, but it's like, oh, you're doing so good. I really love this. Whatever you're doing. I'm like, dude, you're spending too much time on it. I know the pathway that you're going down and the career that you have. And I just think, how are you utilizing social media to best benefit yourself in the future? A lot of people just want free scrubs, free stuff. That's not my end goal, And I'm just gonna say it how I see it, how a lot of other people see it. But I don't know. I mean, you're laughing when I'm saying this, so you probably see to a certain extent exactly what I'm saying, and everyone else is doing the same thing. And it's I'm not gonna say that I'm not doing it, because at the end of the day, you're trying to beat Instagram's algorithms, but at least I try to keep it real to a certain extent. And if I feel something, if I think you look like a clown or whatever, I'm gonna say that in the post. I mean, in the comment. I don't really care. And if you get offended by that, then bro, life's gonna be really, really tough, because we're just joking around, and there are more things that are important than that.